This machine is heavy duty Union Special 59 500 QW. This machine is very solid, made in Japan. Automatic lubrication. This point has to be in between these two marks, red marks, and this machine works with 8 ounces of oil. And to clean it, it's very easy to clean. When you remove this cover, you have to remove this lower knife and then the upper knife that goes here. Take out this holder, upper knife holder, and then remove the plate that goes here, and remove the upper plate, and also you can take away the pressure foot this way. Just loosen up this knob and then you can remove or take away this pressure foot. The threading is very simple. This is the right is the lower looper, the left needle, the right needle, and the upper looper. The upper looper, the thread from the upper tension goes on the top here, and the lower looper thread goes on the bottom here. And the upper looper goes direct to the top of this guy and then goes down and right to this eye. This is the upper looper. This is the lower looper. So the lower looper is coming from the lower eye, the lower holes, and then direct to the back of this hole right there, and then front direct to the back from this hole. The needle thread goes direct to this guide, and then through these holes, and then goes to the top of this guy and direct to the needle. This is the guide to thread the machine in case you miss something.